Mini unveils new John Cooper Works accessory parts. Transform your Mini into a race car for the road. Mini is thrilled to announce an exciting new range of accessory parts for the latest generation of petrol-powered Mini Cooper models. Designed for enthusiasts who crave a more aggressive and sporty aesthetic, these accessories enable drivers to transform their Mini into a true road-going race car. Already known for its fierce exterior stance, owners can take their vehicle's road presence to the next level, while the newest interior options will further elevate the cabin experience. Among the standout new additions are the JCW mirror caps, which subtly blend from chili red to gloss black, and feature the iconic John Cooper Works shaping prominently placed in the centre. These mirror caps not only enhance the sporty aesthetic of the Mini John Cooper Works, JCW, but also serve as a testament to the brand's racing heritage. Aero accessories, aggression meets function. The newly available John Cooper Works front, rear and side winglets are designed to sit proudly along the side profile of the car, giving a more dynamic appearance and improving aerodynamics. Additionally, the JCW C-pillar trim accentuates the sculpted side profile, adding a touch of sophistication to the aggressive design. At the rear, the optional JCW diffuser and JCW roof spoiler attachment replicates the aggressive styling that helped the Mini John Cooper Works secure victory in its class at the prestigious 2024 Nürburgring 24 Hours race. These enhancements not only create formidable presence, but contribute to improved downforce and stability at higher speeds. Wheels, heritage and style combined. For those looking to set their vehicle apart, 4 striking alloy wheel options are newly available. The 18 JCW Rally Spoke Wheel, available in both frozen midnight grey and vibrant silver, pays homage to rally heritage from the 1960s, while 17 JCW Sprint Spoke and 17 JCW Star Spoke alloys, available in gloss black, are well equipped to tackle the challenges of day-to-day driving. Completing the look, optional floating JCW hubcaps ensure the iconic John Cooper Works logo remains level at all times, while red JCW valve caps provide an additional performance detail and offer protection for your tyres. Decals stand above the rest. A range of new decal options are available for the bonnet, sides and rear of the Mini Cooper. A new JCW bonnet decal, available in either chili red or gloss black, features a driver-side-only dual stripe, offering a fresh take on the iconic Mini bonnet stripes. This seamlessly marries with the optional JCW Rear decal, which flows down the boot lid and across the length of the boot. Finished in satin black, the JCW side decals provide the perfect contrast, enhancing the subtle trimmings and imposing stance of the model. Further enhancing your Mini, additional stylish and functional accessories. For those looking to add a touch of edge to the front of their vehicle, the chili red JCW branded toe strap is an excellent choice, making a bold statement while also providing practical use. In addition, the carbon fiber fuel filler cap, adorned with the iconic JCW text, fits seamlessly under the fuel flap. For those who want carbon fiber visible on the exterior of the car, the JCW carbon tailpipe trim further enhances the aggression of the rear, especially when alongside the JCW diffuser. Moving inside the vehicle, JCW door pins are a subtle yet impactful addition, embodying the spirit of the JCW brand. John Cooper Works floor mats are also available, finished with a striking chili red border and iconic lettering. For more information, please visit your local Mini retailer nationwide or visit mini.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice and reviews.